Decoding Errors. Improve your IELTS reading scores. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most beneficial strategies for acing the IELTS reading section: analyzing and learning from mistakes. Mistakes aren't setbacks. They're the stepping stones towards success. Let's unravel the magic behind turning our errors into opportunities. Making mistakes is natural during test preparations. What distinguishes high scorers from the rest isn't the number of mistakes they make, but their approach to them. Understanding the root of your errors can prevent you from repeating them, leading to consistent improvement. Before diving into the analysis, let's categorize the potential mistakes. 1. Misunderstanding the question. This happens when you don't grasp what's being asked. 2. Skimming too fast. Rushing through can lead to missing out on key information. 3. Misinterpretation of the text. The answer seemed right, but it wasn't accurate according to the passage. 4. Time management. Spending too much or too little time on certain questions or passages. Recognizing which of these categories your mistake falls under is the first step. 1. Review every wrong answer. Go through your practice tests and pinpoint each error. 2. Categorize the mistake. Label each error based on the categories from Section 2. 3. Deep dive. Ask yourself why you made that mistake. Was it due to vocabulary? Did you misunderstand the question? Were you rushed for time? 4. Document your insights. Create a mistake journal. Jot down the nature of the mistake and the learning from it. 5. Strategize. For each category of mistake, devise a plan. For instance, if skimming too fast is an issue, practice paced reading techniques. After analyzing, it's crucial to revisit your mistake journal. This ensures the lessons from your mistakes are always fresh in your mind. Every week, glance through your journal and check your progress. Remember, it's not about the number of mistakes but the learning derived from them. Adopt a growth mindset. Every error is an opportunity to learn and grow. Over time, with consistent review and strategy, you'll notice a marked reduction in your mistakes. That's it for today. Transforming mistakes into lessons is a powerful way to improve your IELTS reading scores. Here's hoping this strategy brings you closer to your desired band score. Keep practicing, keep analyzing, and remember, every mistake is a step closer to success. Happy studying!